Ayan. So guys, testing tayo ng Wings of the Eagle na new tsaka Wings of the Eagle na old, yung stock natin na Wings of the Eagle. Okay, let's go. May testing tayo.
She said
Wings of the Eagle old. Oh boy. The Wings of the Eagle din, pero new.